Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Journal with Tanishq, and in today's video I'm going to be making a watercolor galaxy painting which is especially made for beginners. Here are the materials I've used for the making of this painting, and I've made this painting on a 300 GSM watercolor paper. Well, before we get into the voiceover of today's painting video, I would like to wish you all a happy new year 2021. And now getting back into the voiceover of the painting. Well, I used the wet on wet technique for this painting. I just added a little bit of water, which is enough to make the paper glossy, and I've added this water through a flat brush as it spreads the water really quick. Then I used light strokes of paint all over the page just to give me a guideline as to where I have to put which color. And after the base layer dried, I added depth to the painting by adding more saturated colors into the painting. I used crimson red, a normal violet and a purple, a mixture of both of them, and also Prussian blue and even some black along with the Prussian blue to make the dark blue color. And all these are the colors I've used in the making of this painting. But I kept on repeating this step until and unless the paper was completely covered with saturated colors. After adding the colors completely all over the page, I used some black paint all over the four corners just to create a vignette effect on my painting to create more depth. Once I was done adding colors, I then started adding these white stars with the help of a toothbrush, which is a completely traditional method and can be followed by anyone. And once I was done with that, I went on to the second galaxy painting, and I again used the wet on wet technique for this painting as well. For this painting, I used a mixture of sky blue and turquoise in order to create this really light blue. And this actually represented an outer side of the galaxy, and I started off by just adding a little light layer in the center, and as it moves away from the center it keeps on getting darker, and that creates more depth of a realistic galaxy. And just like the previous painting, I kept on repeating the step until I felt that it got real depth in it, and then I let the same painting dry, and just like the other painting, I added white stars on the second painting as well with the help of a toothbrush, which again is a pretty traditional method and can be followed by anyone. At last, it was time for the satisfying part where we remove the tape and get the final outcome of the entire painting with white borders, and I think the painting really ended up looking nice and is a pretty basic painting to do by anyone. Anyone can make this painting. It is really universal of a painting to make. It is easy and even ends up looking beautiful. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then do like the video and comment down below which galaxy painting was your favorite, and I'll be seeing you in one of my next videos.